creative kitchen cookbook, and it came with this little cookbook, and it came with all like what did it come with? It came with like the mixing bowl, that purple mixing bowl, like the cupcake liners. Okay, it's good. So we're gonna make these blueberry muffins, and so we've already heated the oven to, what did it say to heat it up to?
375.
To 375. And half a cup. As we hoped it would be, so it's kind of this like clumpy mess. So lesson learned, make sure your butter is a little bit softer than you would hope, but I'm going to try to come in here and get it going so that he can make easier. Rush half a cup of blueberries with a fork.
Bam, 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 bam.
Alexa, what does it mean to rush an ingredient?
Sorry, I don't know that one.
Alexa didn't know. I don't know. What does it mean to rush half a cup of blueberries? Are you gonna explain this? This is supposed to be for kids. Okay, let's see. The proper way to set a table. Knife safety and cutting basics. Cooking tips. Okay. But there's no description. Alexa couldn't answer it, so now I'm going to Google it. How do you rush blueberries? No, maybe it's a typo. Blueberries with a fork. Maybe it means mush. Mush?
Yeah.
Mush sounds more mush. Okay, half a cup. Well, I'm just gonna eyeball it. Okay, so let's see how much.